Hello, this is from the MN institutions. We are learning basic questions of the fundamental rights. How many fundamental rights are there in the Indian Constitution? Presently, we have 6 fundamental rights. Those are right to equality deals with the Article 14 to 18. Right to freedom deals with the Article 19 to 22. Right against exploitation deals with the Article 23 and 24. Right to freedom of religion deals with the Articles 25 to 28. Cultural and educational rights deals with the Article 29 and 30, and right to constitutional remedies Article 32. These are the 6 fundamental rights are there in the Indian Constitution presently we have, but originally in the Indian Constitution we have 7 fundamental rights. The 7th fundamental right is right to property. It was deleted in the by 44th Amendment Act 1978, but it was a legal right. It made under the Article 300 capital A in the Part 12 of the Indian Constitution. Next, second question. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with the fundamental rights? First option Part 5, second option Part 7, Part 12, fourth option Part 3. Part 3 of the Indian Constitution deals with the fundamental rights in the Indian Constitution. Next, third question. Abolition of untouchability and forbids its practice in any form deals with the which article of the Indian Constitution? It deals with the Article 17 of the Indian Constitution. So Article 17 says that we cannot tolerate or we cannot follow any untouchability, so that abolition of untouchability in all its forms. So Article 17 deals with that. How many rights does Article 19 provides to the Indian citizens in the fundamental rights? Those are the 6 fundamental rights which are provided by the Article 19 in the Indian Constitution. Those 6 rights under Article 19 provided by the Indian Constitution, those are: first one, right to freedom of speech and expression; second one, right to assemble peacefully and without arms; third one, right to form associations or unions or cooperative societies; fourth one, right to move freely throughout the territory of India; fifth one, right to reside and settle in any part of the India; sixth one, right to practice any profession or to carry any occupation. But these 6 rights which are provided under Article 19, those rights are available to the every citizen and every people, but these 6 rights are have some reasonable restrictions, like based on the integrity and union of the India, like for the public purposes, various other purposes, so they have some reasonable restrictions. Right to sleep is a fundamental right or not? It is a legal right or not? So fifth question deals with the right to sleep. Right to sleep is a fundamental right. Seventh one, freedom from taxation from promotion of religion is a fundamental right, deals with the which of the article in the Indian Constitution? It deals with the Article 27 of the Indian Constitution, says that no person shall not pay for the promotion of religion in form of taxation, but they can give donations for the promotion of their religion. But taxation cannot be used for the promotion of religion, or tax cannot be imposed for the promotion of any religion. Seventh question, which fundamental right is only available to the Indian citizen? First option, Article 15 and 16, and second option Article 23 and 24, third option Article 21 and 22, fourth option Article 14 and 20. So in India, fundamental rights which are only available to Indian citizens are Article 15, 16, 19, 29 and 30. These 5 fundamental rights which are only and only available to the Indian citizen, not for the foreign people, not for the any other people. But remaining all fundamental rights except 15, 16, 19, 29, 30, these exceptions, remaining all fundamental rights are available to the every people in India. So option 1 is the correct option. The fundamental rights which are only available to Indian citizens are Article 15, Article 16, Article 19, Article 29, and Article 30. These 5 fundamental rights are which are available only to the Indian citizens. Next, fundamental rights are acquired from the which constitution? So, it is acquired from the American Constitution through Bill of Rights. Okay. Next, ninth question. Under which article Supreme Court issue writs for the people? So, under Article 32, Supreme Court issue writs for the people like prohibition, statutory, mandamus, quo warranto, and habeas corpus. Under Article 226, issue writs by the High Courts. 10th question and last question. Which article restricts the fundamental rights while martial law is in place in any area within the territory of India? So some fundamental rights are not available. I mean, some fundamental rights have some reasonable restrictions, like fundamental rights which are not applicable to the armed forces, police forces. So that's why in where any place or in any place in Indian territory martial law was imposed, so the fundamental rights are not applicable to those areas. So under Article 34, it is the fundamental rights are not applicable when martial law is in place. And Article 33 says that fundamental rights are not available to the police forces, armed forces, and military forces. Why? Because they have to do their duties. Sometimes they lost their fundamental duties like right to sleep, right against exploitation, right to freedom of speech and expression, various other means. So Article 33 imposes like stop, there is no fundamental rights available to the armed forces and police forces, etc. So if you see this video, if you like this video, please subscribe and share this video and like the button, because it will boost my if it will boost my energy so that I want to upload. But it is the first video and I will upload more and more videos, and in future in 1 month, after 1 month I will upload complete geography videos and physics, chemistry, economics, history, polity, every videos, every subject I will cleanly upload, and with uploading with classes, and also I will provide some questions, some videos, and also I will upload every month current affairs videos also. So if you like this video, subscribe and like the video and share the video to your friends. So if there is any defect or if there is any questions arise, if any questions how do you have, so comment in the video and I will solve your problem. I mean, I will solve your doubts also. Thank you.